In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update Bolt app to the latest version. So if you're having issues with the Bolt app and perhaps your app is too slow, the only thing you need to do is to go ahead and update your app. Now, by updating your app, you'll be able to get the latest features that are available on Bolt app. And also this will help fix security issues. So to update your Bolt app, you need either to use an Android smartphone or an iPhone. On iPhone, you need to go ahead and access App Store, and then from there you can update this. However, if you're using an Android smartphone, you'll need to access Google Play Store for you to be able to update Bolt app. So I'm using an Android smartphone, and therefore I'll go ahead and do it on Play Store. Now, if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to tap on Google Play Store, and then from this, just go ahead and search Bolt. And as you can see, we have our Bolt app here. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you can see we have two options, uninstall and update. So if you see you have update option, it means you are using an outdated, which might not be safe and secure. And also you'll be missing out on their latest features. To update this, go ahead and tap on update. And then this will go ahead and download the latest Bolt app on your smartphone. And once the download is done, it will go ahead and install the app on your smartphone. And as you can see, the installation is done. Now this button has changed from update to open. Once you see you have open handle here, then it means you have the latest version of Bolt app. Now you can proceed from here and tap on open to start using a more secure and enhanced Bolt app with the latest features. So that's how you update your Bolt app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.